Do you want to improve your English in 30 days but feel confused about what to do every day? Do you start learning with motivation, but after a few days you stop because you don't see results? Then you need a clear plan that is simple, practical, and easy to follow. Today, you are going to learn a complete 30-day system that will help you improve your English step by step. This plan focuses on speaking, thinking, listening, and confidence. Remember one important thing before we begin. You will not become perfect in 30 days. But you will build a strong foundation. You will reduce hesitation. You will speak more confidently. And that is real progress. Now let's break this into 4 simple phases. The first phase is days 1 to 7. This is the foundation phase. Your goal here is not fluency. Your goal is to build the habit. Every day, give around 30 minutes. Start with thinking in English. Look around you and describe what you see. I am sitting. I am holding my phone. I am watching this lesson. Keep it simple and natural. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes. Now move to speaking practice. Speak about yourself. My name is Ali. I live in Pakistan. I am learning English. Speak slowly. Do not worry about mistakes. If you stop, start again. Then do listening practice. Listen to simple English audio. Pause and repeat sentences. Focus on pronunciation and clarity. Finally, learn 5 simple sentences and repeat them. This is your daily routine for the first week. The goal is to make English a daily habit. Now the second phase is days 8 to 15. This is the building phase. Now you will improve your sentence structure. Instead of speaking short sentences, you will expand them. For example, I am tired. I am tired today. I am tired today because I worked a lot. Practice this method daily. Now increase your speaking time to 15 minutes. Choose one topic and speak without stopping. It can be your routine, your work, or your plans. Also, start improving your vocabulary. Replace simple words with better words. Good becomes excellent. Very tired becomes exhausted. Very happy becomes delighted. Use these words in your speaking. Now the third phase is days 16 to 23. This is the practice phase. Now your focus is real conversation. Start asking yourself questions and answering them. What am I doing? I am practicing English. Why am I learning English? I want to improve my communication. Now start using connectors. I am busy, so I will call you later. I am tired because I worked all day. This makes your sentences smoother. Also, listen more and repeat more. Try to copy the way people speak. This improves your fluency naturally. Now the fourth phase is days 24 to 30. This is the confidence phase. Now you will speak longer and more freely. Speak for 20 minutes daily. Choose different topics. Talk about your day. Share your opinions. Explain your ideas. Do not stop. Do not worry about mistakes. Now also practice in front of a mirror. Look at yourself and speak clearly. This builds confidence and removes hesitation. Now let's talk about your daily routine during these 30 days. 5 minutes thinking in English. 15 minutes speaking practice. 10 minutes listening and repeating. 5 minutes learning new sentences. This routine is simple but powerful. Now let's do a small practice together. Repeat after me. I practice English every day. I follow my plan. I am improving step by step. Again. I practice English every day. I follow my plan. I am improving step by step. Now say it with confidence. Now imagine your progress. After 1 week, you feel more comfortable. After 2 weeks, you speak better. After 3 weeks, you feel more confident. After 1 month, you speak with less hesitation. This is real improvement. Now let's go deeper into some important tips. Do not skip practice. Even if you feel tired or busy, do at least 10 minutes. Consistency is more important than long hours. Now track your progress. Every few days, ask yourself, am I speaking more? Am I thinking in English? If yes, you are improving. Now another important tip. Use English in your daily life. When you wake up, think in English. When you eat, speak simple sentences. When you feel something, describe it in English. This makes learning natural. Now let's talk about mistakes. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. If you make a mistake, correct it and continue. Do not stop speaking. Now let's go one step deeper. Add repetition to your learning. Repeat your sentences daily. When you repeat something again and again, it becomes natural. And when it becomes natural, you speak without thinking. That is fluency. Now final practice. Repeat after me. I improve my English every day. I stay consistent. I will become fluent. Again. I improve my English every day. I stay consistent. I will become fluent. Now feel the confidence. So start today. Follow this 30-day plan. Practice daily. Stay consistent. And you will see real improvement in your English speaking step by step.